Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to get your OpenAI API key. First, head over to openai.com/API. Then, click Login and choose to sign in to the API platform. Once you're logged in, go ahead and switch over to the Dashboard tab. Next, look at the sidebar on the left and select API Keys. This is where it lists out the keys you've already created. OpenAI actually calls these secret keys. To make a new one, just click the Create New Secret Key button. Give your API key a name and then hit Create Secret Key. Now, a window will pop up showing the secret key. Make sure to copy and save this right away, because once you click Done, you won't be able to view this specific key ever again. You can always generate a new one here if you forget it, or delete keys you aren't using anymore. So, you've got your API key. Now you can use it in your projects. For example, I have a simple Python program right here. This script calls the API to find the main keywords in a video title. I'll start by importing the OpenAI class from the OpenAI package. Next, I declare a variable to store the API key and a config variable to use the model. You can find the list of models by going to the Documents section and then selecting the Models menu. Here, it displays a list of models for you to explore. Each one has detailed info describing what it does. Different models work best for different tasks like text processing, coding, or image processing. You can find the exact model name by clicking on this select box and then hitting Copy. You can also configure the max tokens, which is the total of input and output tokens in a single request. After that, initialize the class, input the prompt, call the API, and handle the response. Now, let's run this program. As you can see, after sending the title up, the response the API returns contains the extracted keywords. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.